Annyeonghaseyo guys, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Ara.
And I am Yumi, and we are the co-sisters, students of Korean Pinay. Another day, another mini vlog po kami. Ayun, samahan nyo naman kami sa Amit Sports Fest ganap.
At 8:30 nag-start kami and we line up by our house group. I am Team Bulls, color orange, and Yumi is Team Wolf, color yellow. They have Orcas blue team and also Owls purple team. At yung team pala namin ay grade school until to high school. But today pala, grade school to upper grade school will play and tomorrow will be the high school. And today pala, morning to afternoon yung sport fest namin. At nag-start na pala kami mag-sing ng cheer namin. Kahit mainit sa field, go pa rin kami lahat. At yung laro pala namin ay basketball, soccer, and relay. At ako pala ay naglaro sa basketball at si Yumi pala ay sa soccer. Sayang mommy didn't take a video of me kasi nag-uli siya para mag-prepare sa lunch namin. At fast forward, 1:30 PM, nag-start na pala si Yumi maglaro ng soccer. Sobrang init ng panahon, naglaro pa din si Yumi. Sobrang excited niya kasi the first time ni Yumi mag-play ng soccer, Appa is watching at the corner of the gate. Yumi is using the color orange bibs. Hala dagan jud ming masunog imong agtang.
Okay lang ate, cute pa din ako.
And this time pala lumipat pala kami sa event center kasi nag-awarding kami. Yung team pala ni Yumi 4th place of soccer. Congrats to the all wolves, lalo na sa kapatid ko. Ang galing-galing mo naman Yumi, pumayat ka na.
Pag-sure ate, uy, manaway man ka. And I show mommy my award. At dalawa pala yung award ko. Second place sa relay at fourth place sa basketball. Mommy say mommy's proud of me daw. Nagdagan baya ko sa init, mami, luoy daw ko.
And next naman, kami naman ay nagbigyan ng award. Congratulations to all of my teammates. Fast forward, dali-dali pala kami pumunta sa SM para bumili ng gift. At napasayaw pala kami ni Yumi, mami, bigyan mo naman kami ng bonus. Dumaan pala kami saglit sa bahay para magbihis. And next naman, andito na kami sa restaurant para mag-attend ng birthday. At andito pala si nanay sa pwesto ng ukay-ukay namin. Siya kasi nagbabantay sa mga shoes. At pumasok na pala kami sa loob at nag-greet pala kami sa Korean uncle namin at saka Korean auntie. And shout out pala kay Ate Princess and Baby Sia. And we already give the gift for Sihu. Happy birthday Sihu! Thank you tita and family for inviting us. Salamat sa masarap na food. Sobrang gutom po namin. Look kay sobrang pula ng mukha ni Yumi and she wanted to drink mango shake. Mga utan ninyo, maura, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-follow, please follow the sister po.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!